Hey everyone, this is Ujwal P. Vakharia, and today we'll be discussing on paper 5 of CA Intermediate, which is Advanced Accounts, and I'll be giving certain important tips which may be helpful before the exams as well as during the exams. So ये वीडियो पूरे end तक देखना ताकि आप कोई important tip miss ना करें. Let's begin. Paper 5 is basically a practical paper of 100 marks, and the first thing which I would like to say to students would be that they should surely take an advantage of a practical paper in group 2, because we know that there are two other theory papers, the first one being audit and the second one being EIS and SM. So students should surely take an advantage of this practical paper, and they should surely score in this paper so that their overall score in group 2 comes out very well. The next thing would be regarding the portion, and we can divide the entire portion into 4 parts. The first part can be AS, which is accounting standards. The second part can be financial companies. Third part can be important chapters, and the fourth part can be company accounts. So the first part, which is accounting standards, we all know that question 1 is compulsory and it comes for 20 marks. We can expect 20 to 25 marks in the exam for part 1. Part 2, which is financial companies, chapters such as banking and NBFC come under this part, and we can expect 10 to 15 marks from these chapters. The third part being important chapters, the chapters such as CFS and partnership accounts, which may come for 25 to 30 marks in exam, come under this part. And the last part being company accounts, chapters such as ESOP, buyback, amalgamation, liquidation, etc. come under this part, and it may come for 30 to 40 marks in our exams. The next thing which I would like to talk would be on using a strategy which is ABC analysis. I would have talked about this in detail while I was discussing paper 3 of CA Intermediate, which is costing. So you can surely check out that video which has already been uploaded. Basically, ABC analysis is marking the sums as per their difficulty levels so that you can save your time during your exams. The next thing would be regarding practice. As we all know that it's a practical paper, we'll have to try certain sums and we'll have to write certain papers within 3 hours, so that you can even check your presentation skills while writing your papers. And at least we'll have to see papers of at least minimum 2 attempts. You'll have to see the RTPs, the MTPs and the mock papers as well as the past papers. So you'll get to know about the trend, like what questions are coming and what are the adjustments being added, and from where the questions are being picked, etc. And the most important chapters from which the questions are coming consistently, etc. So these were the important points which a student should surely follow. The first point was on advanced accounts being a practical paper. A student can surely score very well in this paper, and he can boost his scoring in group 2 due to this paper. The next point was on the entire portion being divided into parts and the marking scheme for those chapters. Then I had discussed on the ABC analysis. You can watch the video which was uploaded earlier on paper 3 of CA Intermediate, which is costing, where I have discussed about this ABC analysis in detail. Then we had discussed on practice and presentation. As advanced accounts is a practical paper, we'll have to write certain papers, we'll have to practice certain sums. So a student who follows all these points can surely score very well in advanced accounts. All the best, and if you guys have any doubts, you can surely ping me. Thank you.